Are you still searching for a quick and advanced tool for how to migrate database from offline MDF files to live SQL Server database with no complication? We bring you the solution, SysTools SQL Server Migration Tool. Now let's check out the main features of the software. Supports database migration from offline MDF file to live SQL Server database, advanced scan mode repairs, and migrate damaged SQL Server database. Migrate objects like tables, functions, views, stored procedure, triggers, etc. Available for all SQL Server versions 2019, 2017, 2016, 2014, 2012, 2008, 2008 R2, etc. Now let's check out the prerequisites before installing the software. Microsoft.NET Framework 2.0 or above. If you are using Windows 11 10, 8, 7, 32-bit or 64-bit, and Windows Server 2016, 2012 R2, 2008, then please launch the tool as run as administrator. 4 GB RAM is required and 100 MB of disk space. Now let's install and run the tool to check its working process. The software comes with a simple and user-friendly interface. Here you can see different options to open SQL Server database. You can choose the option Open for adding the SQL Server database. Now you can see a pop-up window will appear here. Software provide two modes to browse SQL Server database, online and offline. This time we will continue with offline mode. Now click on the Browse option to add MDF files from your system. After selecting the MDF file, then click on the Open button. Here you can see two scanning modes. First is a quick scan for normal MDF files. The second is an advanced scan option. Apply this if your MDF file is corrupted. The software auto detects SQL Server version, or you can also choose the SQL Server version manually. Software provide option to recover deleted objects when you selected advanced scan mode. Now click on the OK button to start the scanning process. Now click on the Close button and save the scan files in STR file format. In the next window, you can see on the left menu pane loaded SQL Server database objects. Click the folder and explore it. Now click on any table to preview SQL Server database table record. Now click on Export button to start migration process. Now you can see a pop-up window will appear here with multiple advanced functions of this tool. Let's understand the advanced functions one by one. The software provides two migration options, SQL Server Database and SQL Server Compatible SQL scripts. You can select any of them as per your requirement. We continue with the by default selected option SQL Server Database. Now enter your server's name manually or click on the downside arrow key to explore the SQL Server. Now select the required SQL Server from the drop-down menu. If your selected SQL Server is authenticated, then you can also check the authentication option. Select Destination Database to create new database or export to existing database. You pick any of them as per your requirement. You can also change your migrated database name as per your requirement. Next is collation settings for if you want to add collation settings. You can also select the required SQL Server database objects for the migration process. Now go to the export section. Here you can see two exporting options. The first is with only schema to create schema for the tables views procedures only. And second is with schema and data to export schema as well data for the tables. Click these checkboxes if you want to export deleted objects and deleted records. Then hit the export button below to initiate the MDF files migration process. After the process completes successfully, then click the OK button. Now click on the Close button to save the export report in CSV file format and also get an instant preview of exported report. Finally, check the preview of migrated database in live SQL Server. And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.